Ready to revolutionize your UAE business communication with Vapi AI and your PBX system? First, let's understand the basics. You'll need a PBX private branch exchange, which is your phone system's central hub, and your UAE phone number. Ensure your PBX system is compatible with SIP session initiation protocol, as this is how Vapi AI will communicate with your phone lines next. You need an active Vapi AI account. If you do not have one, sign up on the Vapi AI website. Now, let's dive into the connection. Within your Vapi AI dashboard, locate the integration section. This is usually where you manage connections to third-party systems, like PBX's. Look for the PBX integration option and select it. In this integration panel, you will need to enter your PBX connection details. This includes your PBX's SIP server address, your assigned username and password for SIP registration, and the phone number you wish to connect. These details are available on the PBX configuration within your business systems. After entering your PBX details, Vapi AI will attempt to establish a connection. You might see a testing connection or connecting status update in your dashboard. Give it a moment to verify the configuration information. Once the connection is successful, a confirmation message will appear. Success! Your UAE phone number is now linked to Vapi AI. Now that it is connected, you can configure Vapi AI's features. You can set up call flows, automated responses, and all of the AI-powered tools Vapi AI offers. Congratulations! You have successfully connected your UAE number.